This is very, very, very scary for Bitcoin.
Today for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15. Guys, what the heck is here once again happening with Bitcoin? After we completed the predicted W pattern, we broke out and went exactly, but pretty much exactly to the price target I predicted earlier. We are breaking down right now. Bitcoin is going completely volatile. And the most important question right now is, of course, was this here, this predicted price level of 29,300 US dollars already the high for Bitcoin? Or are we going to eventually break it towards the upside and go to higher price targets? Well, DaVinci will be pulling up the charts and he has some indications in the charts which point towards a very, very clear direction. And I can tell you something, guys, you do not want to be missing out on that. So make sure you take a seat and you watch this video until the very end, where we are going to drop price targets, expectations right now in the immediate short term to you. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Of course, also big thank you to you guys for all your support always. It's crazy. The video yesterday got 11,000 views. All the other videos also 7, 6, 8,000 views. This is crazy. You are the most profitable community in the world and the most supportive one. And with that being said, guys, I want to come once again to the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
In the pipe, 5 by 5. You mean likes, not views, right? That's what you said, views. I think 8,000 likes.
Likes, yes. Sorry.
Yes. That was, yeah, I know, I've been watching, man. It's amazing. And you know what? The community has been so grateful and helpful. You know what? We have to say thank you to everybody for hitting the like, hitting the subscribe, both on my channel and on yours. Thank you very, very much. And you know what? I got a little bit of a surprise for all of you. Something that nobody's looking at. I'm going to show it to you today in today's video. So look out for that. It's going to be exciting.
Yes. And guys, I can tell you, he didn't show it to me as well. So I am looking forward to that surprise in the Bitcoin charts as well. Maybe DaVinci, and also guys, Happy New Year. I wish you all the best for the next year, of course. It's so important. I hope you had an amazing year. I hope your next year will be amazing, full of a blessing and joy for life and happiness with your family. I wish you all the best. And now, DaVinci, the stage is yours. Please pull up the charts and let us know what you are expecting for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term.
Yeah, that's right. Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. All right, let's take a look at the charts. Oh man, well, you know what, I remember days when $1,000 move in a day was like huge. Do you remember those?
Yeah, now it feels like nothing.
Exactly, now it's like, yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, that happens in a couple hours or even less. And so yeah, we just had that over $1,000 move just appear out of nowhere, but that's okay. Right, it's not so bad. It's coming back, obviously. But let's take a look and see if this $1,000 move first is done and finished with, and is it going to continue higher? Right. So what we want to see is let's go down to the 15-minute chart and see if what broke down here on the and see, you can see that M pattern. Right, there's an M here. Right, there's another one here. Right. So let's just take the first one that we see, which is right here. You can see right there. That's it. And then we once we came to this point, right? We got a better line for that. We broke down. So let's just see if the measured move, right, is completed this.
Usually it does.
Yeah, I know. It's just like crazy like that in Bitcoin. And yeah, there you go. The measured move is complete.
Oh, wow. I mean, I'm not shorting Bitcoin, but this would have been beautiful.
Exactly. So there you go, right? So now that that's complete, right, you could probably try to find along at the lower time frames, but you know how to do that, right? You just look for some W's.
Oh man, maybe we skip the 5-minute, man, because the moment I upload it, it will be completely different already.
Exactly. All right. So let's go back to the hourly, right? And let's take a look at what we can see. Where's the direction of Bitcoin overall? We can't. It's going to take a little bit of time before we see another W if we want to go on the hourly, but it will happen. And then what's the overall direction and why is it going to get to the 30,000? Well, we talked about it before, right, with our overall view of Bitcoin. Let me just bring that up quickly, right? And just for those people who are new to the channel and have not seen it, so might as well bring it up for them, right? So I'm gonna just hide that and make this a little bit clearer for you guys, and I'm gonna make this full screen. There we go. So as you can see, that's the 61.8, the 1.618, and we're almost there. We're like it's close to like 30,000. It's not 29,847, which give or take will be around $30,000. So that's where I would look to short this thing if you want to short. It's going to be scary, but honestly, look at this, right? We're so far away from all the EMAs that it's like, hello, where's all my EMAs? They're so far away that we have to come back to at least one of them. Like the 13 EMA, the 7 EMA, if I had it on here, oh my goodness, come on.
Man, we have to even come down to the 21 EMA at one point of time. Of course, the later, the higher this will be. But right now it's at 17,000, increasing at $1,500 per week. So if we retrace down for 3 weeks, well, then we are above 20,000. But it's so far away, man.
Exactly. It's just definitely miles and miles away. So expect that in the near future. So please be careful and set your stops, because these things this thing can happen at any moment. So assuming that this is not happening right now, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to happen just now. What is the level? The level is 30,000, right? And so let's see if we could find with the fibs any kind of like correlation.
Oh, no way. You're not. Come on, you're joking, man. That's exactly. Why are all of them lining up? It's the golden ratio is just everywhere on every time frame pointing towards 30,000.
Exactly. Isn't that freaky?
So this is insane. I mean, I can just guess this was the surprise, right? So do you think that this could point, and I mean, guys, don't throw your life savings in. We are overextended. We are due for a massive retracement. But the question is, Da Vinci, do you think this could point towards the possibility of Bitcoin actually breaking towards the 30,000 US dollar level?
I think I've been looking for another convoluting event to 30,000, and we found it right here in the shorter time frames with the hourly. So there you go. That's pretty clear. That's the direction. Now we could look for it in other ways, right? For example, we could try to find AB equals CDs. Let's see here. Where was the last turn here? Okay, there we go. This was the last turn, so let's see if there's an AB equals C. I don't know, I didn't look, right? So let's just see if this is going to work out. Let's see if it does or not, right?
I think this will bring us much higher. This will bring us to 35 or so.
Exactly, it looks like it, because it's like too hot. There's no other, because this is like 21,000, so if we were to go here, I don't see that happening. But wait a second. Yeah, no, that's 32,000. So let's go with another AB equals CD. This one, right from here to there. Let's see if this does anything. Right, just to see if we could find something else to help us go. Oh, yeah, that's 30,000. That $30,000 is the mark for Bitcoin. And clone, that's probably not going to turn out that way.
I think this one will also go higher. A question I would like to ask is, because now it's 31.5. Now we are so high that I kind of feel like, even though we hit so many amazing targets, we hit so many trades perfectly well, I think we have kind of the responsibility to look at the other side as well, especially now. I would like to ask you, Da Vinci, what would be your invalidation point? What would be the price target you would be looking out for, where you say, well, maybe we are not going above 30,000 anymore. Maybe a bearish scenario is coming into place. Do you have anything like that as well?
Well, first off, if we break this the $25,000 level, that's it. I think we're in a bearish scenario. So it's a long way off, right?
Yeah.
Right now, there's nothing else that you can really say that for sure. If we M out here as well, maybe there's a problem, right? So let's just say we come up close to the current top, which is 29,000, and then roll over again, and we break this bottom level of 27.8. That's a big problem.
Yeah.
But that's a lot of ifs, right? So another thing, right, which I'm looking at, right, which could be an AB equals CD because we came back from the 38 to the 38.2. So let's just see if we can find something right here that's close enough. Clone. Oops, clone. And there we go. And then yeah, I think that's it. There we go. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, but this is on the hourly. This should play out soon. If not, then it will not play out, right? I mean,
Exactly.
for the AB equals CD to play out, we should hit that rather sooner than later, right? Here on the hourly.
Exactly. I think we should hit that very soon. Probably either, if not today, then tomorrow at the latest.
Yeah.
We should up at the $30,000 level. Incredible.
That would be an
Wow.
amazing New Year's present.
Yeah, who knew that we'd be at $30,000?
Not me. Actually, like I remember like 4 or 5 months ago, I made a video on YouTube, like a 1-minute video only, where I was predicting the all-time high until the end of the year. I said the all-time high is imminent. I think we are going to hit it this year, but like everything beyond that, I was very surprised. The reason why I'm still in my trades is I'm scaling out constantly. I have took more than half of my profits because I always know Bitcoin likes to exceed our expectations. It likes to surprise us. And I'm always happy to stay in the train. I mean, the trend is our friend until the end. And I really liked how you pointed out the 25,600 level, because if we actually go below, that's a lower low. And that would probably change the trend for Bitcoin. It's probably the reason why you mentioned that. I completely agree with you here. I always said I want to see Bitcoin staying in this higher low trajectory. We did it so far for 2 or more months. Eventually we will not. We will always do it until we will not. So let's wait and see. We have our invalidation point. We have this very exciting price target of 30,000. I mentioned another one at 33,400. I think it is unlikely to be hit in the short term. But let's wait and see. I mean, after the price target is before the price target. That's what I'm always saying. And yeah, man, thank you so much for bringing all of that to us. I think the next time we will see us in the new year. But I have a very important question to you, Da Vinci. And I also wanted to remind everyone, just quickly on the side note, if you want to support me here, just scroll down in the pinned comment. You find the Bybit Phoenix Dudex link. If you click the links, it takes 20 seconds to make your own account after your initial deposit. You get hundreds of dollars here in the pinned comment down below for free. Can use the bonus for your trading, but please be an experienced trader, because especially what is to come very soon, this retracement, you are going to lose your money if you are not an experienced trader. So take advantage of that. Only then. It is from limited time. But I wanted to ask you, Da Vinci, because I see, man, you are working on Pandora's wallet, and of course your token is also very successful. Do you have anything to announce or to share before we are wrapping it up for today?
Yeah, for sure. If you're interested in joining my Telegram group and also using Pandora's Wallet, you can do so by heading over to pandoraswallet.com. And yeah, we're having a 75% off sale up until the 4th of January. So yeah, check that out. Also, you could also purchase the DJ15 token, and you could also be in the second Telegram group, which we have over here. And what you get when you purchase only 0.05 of my token, it's really simple, right? You just go to the what's it called? Sorry, www.davincij15.com, and yeah, you can get there to get to the token. And these 2 videos will explain how to buy the token and how to get into the Telegram group. And it's only 0.05, and right now that's cost like $5.
$5, man.
So.
Yeah. So if your highest risk is losing $5, but you get the benefits of watching the videos first, joining the Telegram, I mean, come on, guys. You should even be able to pay $50 for joining the Telegram and watching the videos. I would be certainly paying more than that even. Anyways, Da Vinci, I think very nice. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Thank you everyone for watching. I wish you a big, blessed new year. I hope you had a great year in this year. I know it was a little bit turbulent. It was not the best maybe for everyone, but look forward. Everything will be better. And man, thanks Da Vinci for joining us. Thank you for your time. And with that being said, do you have any last words to share before we are wrapping it up for today?
Always play from a position of strength and do not get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto in 2021. And as always, guys, bye-bye.